Is your Canon MAXIFY GX4020 showing offline? Try these quick fixes before reinstalling anything. First, make sure your printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If the printer lost its connection, reconnect it to your home network. Next, restart the printer, your Wi-Fi router, and your computer. Wait about a minute for the network to come back online. On Windows, open Printers and Scanners, select your Canon GX4020, and make sure Windows isn't set to use the printer offline. If there are stuck print jobs, open the print queue and cancel them. Then try printing a test page. Still offline? Remove the printer from Windows and add it again using the correct Canon setup or driver. Save this video for the next time your Canon GX4020 goes offline.